This is our sweet 15-year-old cat, Lucy. She was diagnosed with lymphoma last August. It's now the middle of February the following year. She's living on prednisolone. She can't really breathe. Her airway is obstructed with tumors. We give her 3 pills a day, and this is pretty much what life is like for her, and has been this way for about 2 months. She got a little bit better a couple of weeks ago, but this is it. This is what a cat with lymphoma sounds like. She's not asleep. She just has a very, very hard time breathing. I'll let you hear her in a sec here. You can see how she struggles for air. I really wish there was more we could do. I don't know, hopefully this helps someone down the road. It's hard to listen to this for months on end. Adrenaline, like taking her to the vet, actually helps her. She gets much better. But when she's comfortable and resting at home, that's what this poor thing does all day long. Let's see. Hey, sweetie. On the bright side, the steroids have given her one heck of an appetite. She eats all the time. She lost a couple of pounds, but I think she may be putting it back on. Hey, Luce. She's just riddled with tumors. She can't even hear. She's deaf. Poor thing.